don't know what you are doing. Ha 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 ha
Hello guys, I'm Deal to the Sub. It's your boy OBIKING. Welcome back again to another episode of my comedy reaction. So guys, please make sure to watch this video to the end because trust me, you are going to enjoy every bit of it. You understand? So subscribe, share this video. It's very important. You get so don't play guys. Let's go have some fun.
I'll be going out, honey.
Okay.
My car key.
Let's have it. Jesus. Can you imagine? Sassy died because of food. Water. What do they hide, okay?
Who got that water and show this shit?
Go.
Shake out. Your water and over. Shake out.
I think I've gotten everything I want to buy. Are you sure? Better check. I've forgotten the most important character. Why are you always forgetting things here?
She also not be a boyfriend with that guy.
Yeah, let's go. I've been meaning to ask you.
Blue
What
rice.
is it with you and this big blue rice? Every time we come to shop, you must buy it. Why? Big blue rice. Big rice is the best. It's the ultimate fuel for champions. And you know, my boyfriend loves football so much. So we eat big blue rice. And as a person who wants to win in daily life challenge, this is what you do. Oh, no wonder. Yes, so big rice is an expertly milled, nourishing, non-sticky rice made to deliver a great tasting experience. Hello?
What's your door? I came to borrow your charger. My charger is bad.
I know they also. I went to shop.
You're not at home. Sorry, I assumed you were home because I saw a slippers that looks like your own here. I'm hearing your man's voice inside.
Okay.
He not even close though.
What's going on here?
Well, no. I told my girls to watch football match, but we're almost about leaving because the match is almost finished.
Yeah. Okay. Hi, hello.
So what?
Jesus.
I don't understand this cup. You'll be the end of the night. How can Ateta use Merino in that position? It cannot work. It can never work. Leave me. See, you know now how this is.
What's this one? No.
Now, see, I've been supposed to since when I was when Mori was here, since when Brodda was here.
It's okay. Your team will win next time. Maybe I'm going inside.
And I'm confused with the way.
How about bro? Okay, now we're gonna move like this now.
Big step.
Let's go.
Big step. Big step. Big step.
Now why we they call him goat? Now why he always turn up? He go turn up. He go turn up.
Good. You really help her, no worry.
My money, I beg.
Alpha, when I not tell her say we know they carry cash again. Madam, boys know they carry cash again. A gift card they use now.
That one no be issue now. Continue. I where you go fit change that your gift card to Naira.
Which app?
Go Jiggy. Just download the app. Nah. You go pay me my money. You go collect Naira, pay my money.
Gift
Mama, we know they pay any money for anywhere.
Okay, I'm gonna pay my money.
Madam, you don't know who we be. We be vampire. Oh.
They play.
Sure.
Jesus.
Make I show you my own. You see how? Nana, go suck your blood. Bleed. Not again. You free men now.
I don't know why it's going on.
No, you should like to fight. I only fight this guy they like.
I said don't kill my customer, so now you go pay.
Now why people know the app?
Me I no get money on a gift card that they use.
Oh yeah, you go download Go Jiggy.
Can you imagine?
No election! No election! No election!
Your Excellency, the protesters are marching straight to the government house. If we let them get any closer, they will wreak havoc. Just say the word, and I will let the police open fire on them. 1 or 2 bullets, the rest will run like rats.
No election! No tax increment! No tax increment! No tax increment!
If you open fire on them, what would you say to the international community? What would you say to the human rights? Huh? That Governor Amuneke headlines ordered the shooting of peaceful protesters. Is that what you want for my government? What do we rather do?
No tax increment! No tax increment!
Send in some people in between the protesters to disrupt the peaceful protest. They will do the damage. Smash cars.
No election! No election! No election!
That's what they do.
And when this is done, we'll label them hoodlums.
Hoodlums.
And then we'll have reason to shoot them on sight, as many as we want. You know what to do.
Your Excellency, did I hear you say
they teach us
people?
They teach them. That's what they do. Hey, Naimo. Naim be the person.
Wait. These people will not listen to us. Let us break this city. Let us break this. Let's burn these things down. Are you with me?
Wait, this one. This place look familiar. This place look familiar. Now go and say this one call like this.
They don't catch him. Sinka.
Everybody we want scatter things, we go scatter your head. Yes.
Now, my people, calm down. I've heard your plight. Yeah. What? Yeah, so relax. I can listen to you. Okay? But
let's start.
Okay,
Let's see the edit.
Okay, sacrifice. Okay. Wow, okay.
Let's see the edit.
Muje. Let's see the edit. He go mad.
Governor Amuneke today again has shown that he is indeed a patriotic citizen as he came out today to encourage protesters with food. He was seen in his pool of compassion distributing oranges and correctly made apple to the hungry protesters to help them stay strong. The food he gave was too many that the children in the streets started off a hawking business from the remains of the food. He's indeed the man for the job. Vote Governor Amuneke for the second term.
Brethren, we are gathered today to join together in holy matrimony instituted by God himself. And so therefore, if there is anyone here that has a reason or whatsoever that will stop these two from coming together, should speak now or forever remain silent. I said, if there's anybody here that has any reason or whatsoever that will stop these two from coming together, to speak now or forever keep your peace.
Yes! Hey! Yeah!
Take away, yes. Why are you shouting yes?
I just won $10,000 on Rupert. My brother, tell me more. All you have to do is to use the link in my bio for you to register. And you can play different kind of games. You can play Mission Impossible, you can play Crash. And you cash out big in dollars, in Bitcoin. Wonderful!
How possible is it to win $10,000?
I just want money. I didn't know.
Baby, I'm sorry, it was in the past. I only slept with him twice.
What?
Okay, I'll say the truth. I slept with him 22 times.
My best man?
He be like.
Yeah, in case you dey find man who you won't use before you go see your husband, I'm available for you.
I'm available for you.
Daddy.
I saw something.
Daddy, hold on. There's a challenge trending on TikTok and I want us to try it.
Let me see.
It's here.
You want us to do it?
Yes, let's do it.
Oh yeah, now let's do it, eh?
Okay.
Are you ready?
I'm ready, Daddy.
Advertise this.
Oh, where's the power bank for your phones, for your gadgets, anything you want to charge? I mean, we're in Nigeria, so definitely you will need the power bank.
You got on there?
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Advertise this.
So guys, this is the first cap. You have to bet on it. Bet is a gaming platform where you can play sport bet and casino games, different kind of games. You can play their games and make money like me. Are you ready?
Yes.
Advertise this.
So guys, this is...
Hey.
Huh? What's this?
You're asking me. Am I doing the button for you?
No, sir.
I slap you.
Sorry, sir.
Give me that.
Sir?
What's like this? What's like this?
Okay. Daddy, I want to get you.
Vibrator.
Seriously, this small picking they use. Like mother, like daughter. Now why mama leave me?
Blood of Jesus.
Lakaka. Vibrator. Moscow.
Well done, who is here? You have bottled water and cold one. Get me one.
Lakaka.
Boris, well done. Please get me that chili.
What happened, man?
Well done. Be fast.
Hey, another soldier get up.
Wow, where's the chair?
The person doesn't have for the chair.
Tell the person asked you to be in the chair. Go.
Tell us I'm a soldier now.
Hey! Hey!
Ah. You don't leave and they go. My guy no more wahala. My guy no more wahala. This Moscow no get sense. My guy no more wahala.
Baba, for a long time now, me and my wife, we never see picking born.
Baba, not true. Since 6 years when we marry, no pikin. They don't call me barren. My husband people, they won't pursue me for the marriage self. Baba, help us to help me. Nenu.
Cry no more, woman. For your cry has gotten to the heart of the gods. But hope it did not come here empty-handed.
No, we know the tradition. We don't come empty-handed. It is.
Your sacrifice has been accepted by the gods. Now, close your eyes and stretch forth your hands. You are the pillar that holds my life. You are the pillar that holds my life.
Which kind of nonsense about this video?
Jesus, you are the... Close your eyes. Master Jesus, you are the pillar that holds my life. Father, your children, have been seeking the fruit of the womb for over 6 years now. And they've come to your sanctuary. Father, may you meet them at the point of their need. In Jesus' name.
Why want to be this one self now? Who's that to be this one self?
Yeah, my pastor, you be. I've been a native daughter. I've been with Miss Road.
See, make a tell now. Now evangelist I be. And I've been going from places to win soul for Christ. But people need to give their life to Christ. If I go, they go preach, people they run. Now I can decide I go become a native doctor for Christ. One way or the other, we must win a soul for Christ. As I open and I know people they come here on their own. No be and I come here on our own. Don't give me offering for God. Consign me. God bless you. I have a program coming up in my church. This is my church. It's just down the road. And at the fine fruit of the womb, come there, Lord will meet you at the point of your need. Look at His breakthrough, prosperity, everything that happened on that day. This like this, we can be raising money for big house of God.
Hey!
What's going on here? Vectordviper.
Officer, now the idiot who slap me be
Officer, not be so.
So now you get the audacity, now you get the temerity to assault our DPO side chic.
DPO side chick.
What did they happen for here?
DPO side chick, bruh.
This thing where you hang for here.
Okay, now pomade. I been a plan to come up before I come.
Now pomade be this. Now pomade they draw like this.
Hey! But then organic water from the source.
You sure?
Madam, I need some for my head.
Madam, if I tell her what this girl do me, when I go leave me arrest her. Igbo when I son for outside. This girl thief am.
Igbo?
Yes, Igbo.
I'm not a thief.
You thief am.
Officer, I resemble with the smoke Igbo.
Even if you know they smoke, your pikin they smoke.
I became when be 5 years.
For worry, 4 years old they go.
Bam. Not true. We pack like 6 3-year-old children for whatever street.
Officer, thank you.
TSP, why this in the draw my skull like this?
Officer, if the Igbo fall out now, wallah, I go give her 2 bags.
You don't mean it.
Do you realize you're talking to a police officer?
Oh, Mumu,
Yes,
too
no,
much.
last time I arrest her.
You're under arrest
Officer,
for confessing to the distribution of Indian hemp and also bribing the officers of the law with 2 bags of Igbo.
Officer, don't be so now. Okay, officer, what if I confess a very important information for now, for in exchange of my freedom,
It better be very important.
Not be me, oh. You understand? My guy kidnapped person. The person there for corner for there.
Officer Donna, one check, hurry up.
Mumu man.
Are you sure of what you are saying?
I go lie for you. Officer, I'm a Christian. Officer.
Now go bless you now, so now come rescue me. This idiot now kidnap me.
That be me, oh. Now my guy.
Now you.
That be me.
Now you.
That be me.
I said now you.
You are a snitch. And snitches get bitches. Officer, arrest this man.
Shut up your mouth.
This idiot don't keep me here for more than 1 month. Now so masturbation in the masturbation. See come don't fool everywhere.
Come.
Bros, come. Bros, make you know me waiting at the tinkle. Seriously.
Now waiting the tinkle.
Why you hear the stand? You play Chikuko.
Officer Donna, why your hair the white?
My hair white.
Wait.
Okay. Hey, you put that for mouth.
Now wait till you think.
What I can lie? If you don't have for jail, call me bastard. Hey, Carosa. Hey, Carosa. Bros, your loss is your comb from my head. Hey, Carosa.
If I slap you, see my hair. I resemble Spiderlinton white. Officer Donna, your hair they grow.
What be this?
Agkaay.
What be this? Nah, man, yo.
Jesus.
Rapid growth.
Shoot me to the bastard.
Draw your gun. You deserve it.
Bros, follow me. Bros, this man don't pass you.
Draw your gun.
Somebody make me not touch you. What have I done?
I saw the thing till they grow here.
Alpha chairman, they don't break. Run me my transfer, I want to go.
Alpha, if you know say you no wan collect this iPhone 16 Pro Max, you go tell me make I sell am.
Waiting this one, Papa, they talk for you.
Yeah, they like it. Hey! No, they like to pay.
I will just sell am 2 million naira. I will give everybody their money.
My God. How I want to do this thing now?
Baby girl, see, network no dey this room. Make I go downstairs for this hotel. I use POS, I give you cash now. I beg, I get valuables for this room. No come up for here.
This guy likes to stress himself. You go knack woman. Pay her money now.
You be devil. No, can't you not get hurt? Will you streak eat somebody food? You say make we run. Jesus.
Red. This and I don't fuck up. Let me collect my money from this guy. I won't go back.
It is a play.
God have mercy upon us.
Shema, you just delay me for you. I be go to my transfer, I dey go. Time don't go now.
Baby, you calm down now. Why they whine you for Shema now?
Okay, I don't see my dey go. I bet not say they don't bright.
All light from the night, yeah, waiting you talk.
I bet my pass.
Who be this person?
Hello, Pablo. I know they like all this kind of thing. Okay. If you say you don't want this iPhone 16 Pro Max again, you go tell me make I give another person. I just to sell this thing 2 million naira now.
Okay, I do just something I dey go.
Baby girl, you calm down now. Network not even dey downstairs. You don't collect your details now. No worry, ma go upstairs, ma go run her for you.
Oh, yeah, fast now.
See, I beg, no come up for this house. So my door they open. I get many valuables for here.
Anyway, good.
You go faint, though. You go faint. Body go tell you. It is a play.
You, they go now, they go.
My guy, this thing they work. But the cat will not work now. She remove like that.
She not just remove.
Oh, she hold back.
She remove your plasma.
Hey!
The plasma?
The one Beninges.
Baba? Babs?
Who is that? Baba is not around though. I'm the one in church today. Do you need anything, sir?
I'm a blessed human being.
What's going on here?
Oma. Now you there today? You guys.
It's me. Baba is not around. Do you need anything? Do you have any issue? Do you have any problem?
I get problems, so I won't come meet Baba. Okay. So now you there around
Yes,
today?
I'm the one in church today. Don't worry. Yes, I'm here to solve all your problem.
You are a prostitute. No wahala now.
You want to sit down?
Okay.
Don't miss Baba picking.
Well, I don't get too much problem. Okay. I don't dey single for very long time. So I don't try relationship. You know they work with me. I know say something there inside. You understand? And I make I say make I come find out.
Okay. Don't worry. I'm here for any solution at all. I'm here for you.
Yeah.
Yes. You know I'm also single as well.
Yeah.
Yes.
You dey single? Wow. That means two of us will feed the Algerian.
Brother, welcome. No, that is your. Don't worry, I attend to you. We'll see later now. Take care of yourself. But that do well.
Don't worry, I go do well. You go down.
Some people will come here. I could have killed a lot. I'm telling you. Look at my face. I go right.
They didn't bring you come here.
I go right at you.
No be you, the follow talk. What you bring you come out shrine?
Now they know they shout for me. No, we just start talking. Don't they? No be so your papa they shout for people.
You not really know me.
Now so in the shout, what time for shop my money?
You not really know the type of person when I be.
Okay. What you bring you come here?
I'm a wicked man.
Now you come. You go to talk small.
What you bring you come now?
So power they shark young people.
I go right.
I won't come do juju. I dey single for a very long time, so I need juju to get relationship. I want the inside relationship.
Now they cook for backyard. Now my pressure.
Now you dey do wetin? Wetin una dey cook? Wetin una dey cook?
No be you talk say you dey single. Say more do juju for you.
Yes.
Make you stay inside relationship. The juju dey here now.
Baba wait now. Normally, you know say two of us we supposed be H mates. Not because of say you be deputy Jojo or brother Lao. Beg. That your sister. Now your sister, Abi.
Yeah, na my sister.
Now your sister.
The one where the God give us.
Oh, now God, now. She don't marry or she dey single.
She dey single.
She dey single. And me, I dey single. So I don't know whether na the gods now him bring me.
Yeah, na the God talk me. I'm not taking it when I don't feel. I don't know. Rubbish na in your mind. Rubbish na in your mind. Na rubbish dey.
Sorry.
Na rubbish.
Finish him. You guy na mu, you deserve beating. Motel na mu. You don't know what you are doing.
You don't know what you are doing. Ha 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 ha
This one a powerless mama.
Top poison.
See that your stubborn picking, that headache where you born send a picking, where they waste school fees for.
I think God beg you. No, put your mouth on family. No, something on my family member. Which kind of sense be that one now?
I just they talk the truth now.
If not, please stop, Amo. I go. If not, I go disrespect you.
Don't they come like we see?
I see this young.
That's good as me.
Awesome.
How are you, my boy? This one your face do like this. What happened?
Are they hungry
Not
now?
the for us and are they hungry?
Hey, Shanky. Okay, come here. Go meet that way they do POS there. Let's give you 1,000 naira. Buy bread and mineral 400. 400. Nobody pass like that too. Keep my change later. I will collect them here.
Okay.
See the kind of fine picky way get bright future in the sort. You can respect yourself, oh.
For this guy.
So I know they play again. I know they play again.
No play again now.
Madam POS.
Papa, ma.
Hey, I be no one make all those headers. Since I home money, you know, come begin beg me. Because they go beg, I go give them. They don't go pay back.
Oh, Allah, be my person.
Hey, see the 1,000.
What be this?
The money you give me, mama picking now.
Oga, you said your son make come collect 10,000 naira. I asked you before I give. Ha! Papa, ma, you send him, ma.
Yes, let me send her. Give her.
Give me my 10,000 naira, I beg.
You give me my 10,000 naira.
No be it send that. You said I make come collect 10,000. Give me my 10,000. I don't want your problem.
My God.
Hey. You don't put Bessie on top of your
Look, I enjoy myself. I know so if I go out, my own don't finish.
Very good. Can you imagine? But this guy get mine though. They say collect 1K, you collect 10K. If I bump pick away they do this kind of one, I go buy them by myself. Anyways guys, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. What's your favorite part of the video? Let's write in the comment section. And like I always tell you guys, please make sure you subscribe to this channel, because I always try my best to give you guys the best you've ever seen. You understand? So subscribe, check out my other videos, and share my videos. It's very important, you get. So see you in the next one guys. Peace and love.